What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a wiper motor in a 2012, I guess up to 2018 Dodge Caravan. It's not a big hard job. A few things to look at in this video to help you along with the procedure, and I'll get right to it. This wiper motor, when you turn it on, all it does is make a clicking sound, and I'm used to this. This is 3 or 4 times I've had to replace a wiper motor in a Dodge Caravan, and it's a sure tell sign that the motor, electrical motor, is burnt out or seized. Usually they seize because they don't put grease inside of them, not very much, and over time it just seizes up. But this is the new motor for the Dodge Caravan, and this is actually a used one I took from my spare Dodge Caravan, and this one's working fine. So luckily this time I didn't have to buy it. If you buy it, it's, you know, a couple $100. And here we go. So we're going to get started on this right now. First thing you have to do, guys, you have to get this little cap off of the wiper. Just take a screwdriver, apply it around. There you go. And there's a lot of dirt and debris in here. Hopefully this one comes out good. Sometimes they don't. So I'm just hooking some dirt out of the actual wiper inside around the threads of the nut. Okay, and guys, I'm using a 1/2 inch socket on the nut itself, and hopefully, oh, this one doesn't seem okay. I'm not cutting it in because that's not, oh, okay. And hopefully this nut comes off easy. This is the hardest part, is getting this nut off of the whole job. Sometimes they're very difficult. And this one came easy, which is a good thing, because we have to pull this wiper off the shaft. I usually give it a little bit of WD-40 just to help it out as you're trying to pull it off. And you just gotta pull up on the wiper, flex it around, try to loosen it as best you can. And I just broke this one free. It came off perfectly. I don't see any issues. Seems fine, so that's good. Now, usually this is a bit tricky, but I'm going to show you. So now, guys, you have to get these Phillip head star screws out of this. You have to take those out because this piece here is one piece with the actual wiper, and you see it splits right here, so this piece will all completely come off. And once you get these screws out, it's just the plastic clips. And guys, I'm not even going to use the screwdriver, the drill today. I'm just going to use the screwdriver. And here we go. This is the first one. That's the first one, guys. And this is the second one. And this is the third one. And last but not least, the fourth screw. And of course, we dropped the last screw. Next thing we have to do, guys, we have to pull down the cab light. And you just hook it in the little tabs you'll see there. Pull it down. And guys, a lot of people ask questions about this little red tab. All you do All you do with this little red tab, guys, is just take a screwdriver, pull it up, then you can squeeze the piece and take it out. Usually that comes pretty easy. Might have to go a little bit more with the clip. There we go. Now you can push down on this tab and pull it out. See? We'll lay that in there. So this is just all clips. I just take my hand and I pull it, and you'll see the clips are all there. The only reason why I'm having any difficulty, you can see the clip is right there. Only reason I'm having any difficulty is just because I'm holding the camera. Other than that, this comes off really good. You hold the top of it and just pull it. And I'm going to have to get my, they have two clips on the inside, and I'm just using this tool right here to get at it. Usually it pulls right off, but this one's just being a little bit stubborn. There we go. Here we go. And see, that pulls right off. I got two for the price of one there. I got the first piece and the second piece came off too, so that's okay. So guys, there is the wiper motor. You have three 10mm bolts, one there, and one right there. You have to get those off, and again, they're 10mm, so let's go get a 10mm. Put our 1/2 inch back. It's good practice, guys. Always put your sockets back in, because if not, they go misplaced all the time. Take our 10mm. And now, guys, just start unbolting the wiper motor. It's one. And that's the three of them. Now, guys, I just take this plying tool, because remember, there's a rubber on the other side of that. And I just take a little tool and I just gently pry to get that shaft to come out through the rubber on the outside. There you go. And now, guys, all you have to do is push in on these two tabs, and that's it. That's the wiper motor taken apart. And now, guys, we're just going to take the other motor and we're just going to put them up in place, and you just line up your bolt holes, run it through the hole like that, and then you just bolt it back on, and we'll plug it in and we'll test it. Before we put anything together, we're going to test it. We don't need to put the wiper arm on to test it. We just got to turn the key forward and test it like that, and we'll see the shaft turning. It's one bolt. Now we're putting on the second bolt. And we're going to put on the third bolt. We'll close the hatch and we're going to go in now. We're going to turn on the key and see if this shaft spins. Okay guys, we'll turn the key forward and we'll hit the switch right here. Whoops. Okay, so it's on. For some reason I hit the windshield wash, and let's see, it's on delay, so we're gonna have to wait a minute. There he goes. Look at that, guys, he's working. So let's turn the key off. Let's turn the key off and we'll get the wiper arm. You know, kind of like to put some paint on it, but I won't bother that today. The wiper blade looks in good condition. He's not bad. Well, actually, he is bad. But anyway, we're gonna... I don't see, I have another arm. The one that actually came off of the other Dodge Caravan. The one I just took the second motor, the working good motor. I have another blade right here, and he's actually in good shape. So I'm thinking I can make one out of two. Okay guys, I'm gonna get back to you. I got to make one out of two here with these blades, and I'll get right back. And here you go guys, the wiper is finished, it's fixed, and it's working like it's supposed to. All is good. It's on a delay, of course, and it's working fine, it's setting fine, everything seems good. So we can turn this off on the switch. And guys, I'm not going to bore you with putting it all back together. You watched how I took it all off. It's going to go back just as easy, just the same. And that's how you do it. And that's all there's to it, guys. That's it. It's all working. So hope this helps you on how to replace a motor for your rear wiper on your 2012 Dodge Caravan up to, I don't know, I'm saying 2018, guys. I could be wrong between those years, but I know it's close to that. And this is how it is. So I'll see you on the next one.